Welcome to Shree Learning Academy. Our today's topic is understanding Wi-Fi. So let's get started. Wi-Fi, an abbreviation of Wireless Fidelity, has become an integral part of our lives, significantly transforming the way we live, work, and communicate. As a technology, Wi-Fi represents wireless networking standards defined by the Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineer under the 802.11 protocol. In its most simple form, Wi-Fi is like an invisible cord that connects devices like computers, smartphones, and tablets to the internet without requiring a physical wired connection. Imagine a day without Wi-Fi. You would lose the convenience of browsing the web from the comfort of your couch, streaming music on your portable speaker, or controlling your smart home devices. The repercussions would extend beyond just personal inconvenience. Businesses would have to return to wired connection, affecting productivity and flexibility. Hence, it's no wonder that Wi-Fi is so widely used in homes, offices, and public locations like cafes, libraries, and even airports. Access points. To better comprehend the Wi-Fi networking process, it's essential to understand the concept of access points. An AP is a device that allows wireless devices to connect to a wired network using Wi-Fi. Picture it like a translator that bridges the gap between the devices speaking different languages, wired and wireless. An analogy could be the relationship between a mailman and residents in an apartment building. The mailman, access point, receives letters, that is data, addressed to specific apartments, that is devices, and distributes them accordingly. Similarly, devices send their outgoing mail, that is data, to the mailman, that is access point, who then sends them out to the broader network. A typical home Wi-Fi network usually consists of one AP embedded in the router system by the internet service provider. In contrast, a larger environment like an office or a mall may have multiple APs to ensure consistent Wi-Fi coverage. Wi-Fi security and why it matters. One critical aspect of Wi-Fi networking is security. As you are broadcasting data through the air, it is vital to ensure that it doesn't fall into the wrong hands. Here's why Wi-Fi encryption comes in, acting like a protective shield from your data while it travels between your device and the access point. Wi-Fi encryption can be compared to sending a letter in a sealed envelope instead of a postcard. Anyone can read the message on a postcard, but a sealed envelope keeps the content private. Similarly, encryption obscures data, making it unreadable to anyone without the correct decryption key. Currently, the most common type of Wi-Fi encryption is WPA2, that is Wi-Fi Protected Access 2, soon to be overtaken by WPA3. These protocols use a password to control who can connect to a Wi-Fi network and encrypt data sent over it. The limitations of Wi-Fi encryption. While Wi-Fi encryption is vital for network security, it's important to note its limitation. The encryption is primarily limited to the connection between the device and the base station or the access point. That means it protects your data as it travels through the air, but it doesn't necessarily secure your data once it has left the AP and is moving through the wired part of the network or the internet. This limitation is akin to sending a sensitive letter in a sealed envelope to a mail sorting facility. The envelope protects your letter from prying eyes as it travels to the facility, but once it arrives, the envelope, that is the encryption, is removed, and the letter, that is your data, could potentially be read by anyone at the facility or anyone it is subsequently sent to. End-to-end encryption. For a more complete security solution, end-to-end encryption is often used. Unlike Wi-Fi encryption, end-to-end encryption secures your data from the moment it leaves your device until it reaches its final destination, ensuring that only the intended recipient can read it. Using your letter analogy, end-to-end encryption is like writing your letter in a secret code that only the recipient knows how to decipher. Even if someone intercepts the letter or reads it at the sorting facility, they won't understand what it says without the decryption key. One common way to implement end-to-end encryption is through virtual private networks, that is VPNs. A VPN encrypts all the data sent from your device, sends it to a secure server, and then sends it to the final destination. This process ensures that your data remains private even when it's sent over a Wi-Fi network. Another way to achieve end-to-end encryption is through encrypted communication applications like Signal or WhatsApp. These apps encrypt messages right from your device, so they can't be read by anyone else, including the service providers themselves, ensuring that your communications remain private. In conclusion, Wi-Fi, governed by the IEEE 802.11 standards, has revolutionized the way we connect to the internet and other devices, providing unparalleled convenience and flexibility. Its utility extends from our personal lives to our professional ones, underscored by its widespread application in homes, offices, and public spaces. However, as with all digital technology, security is paramount. Understanding the roles and limitations of Wi-Fi encryption and end-to-end encryption is crucial to ensuring data privacy and protection. By combining these tools appropriately, we can safely navigate the digital world and leverage the benefits of Wi-Fi technology with peace of mind. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do check out the written explanation on our website. And don't forget to take this quiz based on this video. The links are in the description box below. Subscribe to our channel to watch more interesting videos. And if you have any doubts, do let us know in the comment section and we will try our best to solve them for you. For private coaching, do contact us by visiting shreelearningacademy.com or on WhatsApp. See you in the next one.